In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello. Trello is a simple visual tool for organizing tasks, projects, or even your day-to-day to-dos. We'll walk through the core workflow so you can get set up quickly and stay on track without feeling overwhelmed. First, sign in and create a board. You can use Trello in your browser or the mobile app. Once you're signed in, click the option to create a new board, give it a clear descriptive name so everyone knows its purpose at a glance, like marketing launch or personal tasks. Choose a background that makes cards easy to read. If you're working alone, keep the board private. If you're collaborating, you can adjust sharing settings and invite teammates later. Next, add lists to represent the stages of your tasks. A simple starting setup is to do, doing, and done. To do is where all new tasks go. Doing is for active work, and done is your completed column. Keep list names short and meaningful. If your process has specific steps, you can rename lists to match. But the idea is to make it obvious where each task belongs at any moment. Now, create cards for individual tasks. Each card should represent one clear piece of work, like write blog outline or fix login bug. Click add a card in the appropriate list and give it a concise title. Keeping cards focused makes it easier to prioritize and move work forward. Open each card to add details like descriptions, due dates, and attachments. In the description, write what success looks like or any key info someone would need to complete the task. Add a due date using the calendar so Trello can remind you as deadlines approach. Attach files that provide context, documents, images, or links, so everything you need is in one place. You can drag files in or use the attach button. If a task has multiple reference files, organize them in the attachments area and keep the description clear and scannable. As work progresses, move cards through your lists. Drag a card from to do to doing when you start and from doing to done when you finish. This gives you a visual sense of progress and helps teammates know what's happening without extra messages. Make a habit of moving cards as soon as their status changes, and check your board regularly so it reflects reality. If something is blocked, keep it in doing, and update the description with a quick note on what's holding it up. That's the core Trello workflow. Create a board, set up your lists, add cards, fill in details, and keep cards moving. With just these steps, you'll turn a messy task list into a clear, actionable system.